Imagine waking up and realizing you accidentally created a multi-million-dollar problem for your company, simply because your product was way too good. That is exactly the bizarre reality Apple is facing right now. Welcome to Educational Hub. Today, we are looking at how a massive supply chain disaster forced Apple to create the ultimate budget computer. It all started with the original MacBook Neo. It launched recently for just $599 and completely broke the internet. Nobody ever expected Apple to sell something so incredibly cheap. The secret to that insane price tag was surprisingly simple. It was literal garbage. To keep costs down, Apple took imperfect, leftover A19 Pro chips from the iPhone 16 production line. During manufacturing, sometimes a microscopic speck of dust ruins a small part of a chip. Instead of throwing those broken chips in the trash, Apple stuffed them into a cheap laptop shell. It was a genius recycling project. It allowed Apple to turn absolute trash into massive profits. But this master plan backfired terribly. The MacBook Neo sold out so incredibly fast that Apple completely ran out of those imperfect chips. In a normal business, you just order more parts. But Apple cannot do that. Their chip manufacturer, TSMC, is completely booked up with other orders. Paying a massive premium to cut the production line would destroy their profit margins entirely. Apple was completely stuck. They either had to kill off their best-selling budget laptop or actually lose money making it. Instead, they found a brilliant loophole. Right now, the brand new super thin iPhone Air is reportedly flopping in sales. Because of this, Apple is currently sitting on a massive mountain of free, slightly imperfect A19 Pro chips. To save their own cash, they're taking this next-generation technology and putting it straight into the MacBook Neo 2. They are releasing it much earlier than anyone expected. This supply chain accident is an unbelievable win for consumers. The upgrades coming to this machine are absolutely insane. The biggest change is not even the processor speed. It is the memory. The new A19 Pro chip naturally comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM. This is a massive jump from the original 8 gigabytes. You might think 4 extra gigabytes is not a big deal, but macOS is very hungry. The system eats up about 5 gigabytes of RAM just to stay awake in the background. On the old laptop, that only left you with 3 gigabytes for your apps. Now, you get 7 gigabytes of completely usable memory. You can finally keep 20 Chrome tabs open, listen to music, and type a paper without your computer stuttering or freezing. Apple is also massively upgrading the storage speed. Have you ever clicked a tab and stared at a blank white screen for a second? That happens because the laptop ran out of RAM and had to pull data from a slow storage drive. Apple is doubling the storage speed on the Neo 2, meaning those annoying lag spikes will completely vanish. On top of that, the graphics power is getting a massive 33% boost. Because a laptop has a lot more physical space to cool down than a tiny phone, this powerful chip can run at maximum speed for much longer without overheating. If you care about artificial intelligence, this laptop is a dream. The new AI accelerators inside the A19 chip are 3 times faster. Apple is currently betting everything on Apple Intelligence. They need these features to run smoothly. By giving everyone 12 gigabytes of RAM, Apple is ensuring that their AI works perfectly for everyone, not just the rich professionals. You are getting all of this raw power alongside incredible battery life. The new chip is super efficient, giving you over 12 hours of screen time. It is also highly rumored to feature the much faster 40-watt charging speed from the iPhone 17 Pro. This lets you quickly top up the battery in minutes before a class or a meeting. Add in the rumors of bright, vibrant colors matching the stylish desktop iMacs, and this laptop becomes a total fashion statement. People will buy it simply because it looks so much more fun than a boring silver laptop. However, by keeping the price locked at $599, Apple is accidentally destroying their own business model. They have spent decades training us that power costs a premium. Now they are handing out premium features for cheap. Why would a college student spend $1,100 on a MacBook Air when this $599 machine does the exact same daily tasks? This shift also completely crushes the cheap Windows laptop market. For years, companies like Dell, HP, and Lenovo dominated the $500 price range. But those laptops are mostly made of cheap plastic and have terrible battery life. The Neo 2 uses premium aluminum and a beautiful Retina display. It even ruins the used tech market. Nobody is going to buy a 3-year-old used laptop when a brand new powerhouse with a warranty is sitting right there for the same price. But there is one major catch to this entire situation that you need to remember. The MacBook Neo 2 only exists because of factory mistakes. It relies entirely on leftover trash chips. If Apple figures out how to make the new iPhone 17 II perfectly, they will not have enough imperfect chips to build these laptops. That efficient manufacturing could ironically lead to another massive global laptop shortage. Apple is walking a very thin tightrope. In my honest opinion, the MacBook Neo 2 is shaping up to be the absolute best value product Apple has ever released. It completely changes the rules of the entire laptop market forever. It gives everyday people professional power for a fraction of the cost. If you like the video, please subscribe to Educational Hub, share the video, and hit the bell icon. Let me know your best opinion about this incredible new product in the comments below.